Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I film zoomed in like so much more than other people and it's kind of, I don't know, is that like normal? I'm sorry if you can hear Landon, he's playing his video game and talking to his friends. But today I wanted to show you all my small Sephora haul, Sephora Ulta haul that I did. It wasn't that big, I just wanted to kind of show you guys what all I got so you guys could kind of get an idea of what's going on around here. Basically, I love shopping for makeup. You all should know this by now because it's no secret. But yeah, so I do it pretty often. I have a color pop haul coming too. I can't wait for it to come. But yeah, so let's just jump in and show you. What should I start with? Sephora? We'll start with Sephora. So I got the 2 Huda mini sets. I used this one today. This is the Huda Nude Love Collection Liquid Matte Minis. I fell in love with the formula of these when I got the shade Bombshell in the Sephora Favorites, like the big holiday one back in December, like November, December. And I was like, oh my gosh, I need more shades because this is an amazing formula. Like, I like it almost pretty much as I like my Dose of Colors ones, which you guys know I live for those. They're amazing. And so I got the Nude Love collection and the Red Edition collection. Those are the only 2 they had on Sephora. I'll swatch them for you guys on the back of my hand. The Nude Love one comes with the 4 shades Crush, Girlfriend, Wifey, and Sugar Mama. Today I wore Wifey. I don't have it on my mouth right now because I haven't had it on. I put it on, what was it, around 1:30ish today, 2 o'clock. And it's now 9:15. It was stayed on though until I ate dinner at like half an hour ago. So, I mean, that was pretty good. And I had gloss over it, so like, but yeah, you don't get like a super butt lip kind of looking thing, but it's really nice. So let's just swatch these. This one is the shade Sugar Mama. Granted, these are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, but I'm not mad because like how often do you wear like the same shade over and over and over again, especially when you have as many as I do. And then Girlfriend. I think these are like $33-ish, $30 a piece, something like that for 4 of them. So that is Girlfriend. Hold on. And then we have Crush. I like this one a lot, but it was a little too warm for what I was going for today. Followed by the one that I wore today, Wifey, which I absolutely adore this shade on me. It's definitely not going to be everybody's color, but it's like the perfect kind of nudie color for me. Why do I look so dark? What's going on? Yeah. So that is the nude set. Where are my wipes? So that's the nude ones. It's the Nude Love collection. And then, that's kind of funny how that one is all like fancy, the Nude Love, and then this one's just the Red Edition. Let's wipe these off though. Alrighty, so we have 4 of these. One of them is kind of metallic-y. So you have Heartbreaker, Material Girl, and Famous, and then Showgirl is metallic-y. Let's see. This one is Famous. It is the deeper shade. It's like a purpley red. Focus! These are really pretty. And then we have the metallic, which is Showgirl. And then we have Material Girl, which is super purpley. Like, that's like a true purple, not like a purpley red. Focus! Focus! There we go. And then last but not least, Heartbreaker, which is a red. And I think these are just absolutely stunning colors. And I can't wait to rock them. I do think that, like, when you're just swatching them, they kind of, like, are not streaky, but, like, the thicker the area is, they definitely are much, much darker in color. So I think you might need to make sure really that you get, like, a nice even tone to it whenever you put them on. But yeah, so that is that.
Shit, I'm overextended. We're gonna take a match.
Let's go ahead and take these off so I can show you the rest of the stuff that I got. So that was Sephora, and I got one more thing from Sephora. The Melted Latex by Too Faced. These are $10 right now, and they have been for quite a bit now. They are just, they're liquid latex, they're melted latex liquefied high shine lipstick. So it's basically like a gloss pretty much, and it just is designed to stay really shiny. And that's actually what I wore over the Huda one today that I had on. But it's just really pretty. Like, the only thing that I didn't like about it was that you have to dip in quite a bit to get like the color that you like, what am I trying to say? To get like a really like full coverage over all your lip. But it does give like a nice glossiness to it. Like, it's not like a barely there kind of gloss. Like, it definitely gives you some shine, and like a nice shine too. But I like this one because I just wanted like a clear gloss that was comfortable, and it's not sticky at all, and it's pretty pretty. Like, you guys can see, like, it gives me a nice shine without being like annoying. So yeah, that was that from Sephora. So the lipsticks and the melted latex. Then from Ulta, I got 4 things from NYX. I know I haven't purchased something from NYX, I don't think, in a while. I don't think so. I got like those big vaults around the holidays, but I didn't talk to you guys on YouTube about them. I posted about them on Instagram. I don't know. But anyways, I wanted to try out this NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte. So, like, I love the Liquid Suede line. Like, they're a really comfortable formula, and they're really affordable. I have, like, a billion of them now because I got that vault. But I haven't tried the metallic ones, and I was like, hey, let's see what this is like. And if you guys know me, you know that I love the... I can't think today. I love the Stila liquid lipstick in Beso and the Beso shimmer. So like that's all amazing. And then like the Jeffree Star one in Poinsettia, and of course like I just got the Huda one too. So like I don't know what I'm thinking, having all these same shades, but I wanted to try it out. So we're gonna take this gloss off because I haven't put this on my mouth yet, and we're gonna try it with you guys, okay? I bit like a hole. Like, my teeth are really sharp, and my dentist is like, yeah, you need to get braces. And I'm like, that's not going to fix the sharpness of my teeth. So, I'm like, whatever. And so, I have like a hole, and it hurts a lot, so bear with me while I'm talking. If I kind of sound funny, I'm trying to avoid hitting it where I bit the hole. Let's see. This, by the way, is in the shade Biker Babe. It's fitting. It's very, like, I could definitely see why it's called Biker Babe. I like that, though. Like, the metallic isn't, like, annoying. Part of my lips, they're super chapped. I feel like I can't do anything to get them unchapped. I'm trying not to have to like dip in again. That's why I'm going over areas more, because it's like... My sister always gives me a hard time because she says that I don't apply like my liquid lipstick like evenly. I don't really care though. What do you guys think?
No.
I think it's really pretty though. Like, it's definitely more like gothic-y, and I feel like it would look even better if my lips weren't like so chapped, where it like is settling into like the chappedness, and that's what's making it darker in those areas. But the areas that like aren't as dry, it's very smooth and even application, and I think it's very pretty. It reminds me, you know, have you ever seen like the image on the BOXYCHARM website of their metallic lipsticks, like how those lips look on picture? That's what this looks like. This looks just like that, and honestly, I would buy more of these, especially when they're buy one get 150. Girl, this lady made my day today, you guys. She told me that I had nice skin. I was like, thank you. And she was like, what's your secret? And I was like, I'm just having a good day. A good skincare day. And I like told her some of the stuff I use. Oh, really nothing special. I have switched up my skincare routine though, since like I last showed you guys what it was. So I really need to like come on and tell you all what I use. Okay, you're just gonna have to ignore the spots around my mouth that don't have color, because I don't really have like, you'll be alright. Okay, so that is that, and then I got 3 of the glitters that they have. These are new colors, like they're the metallic glitters, I guess. I have a bunch of their glitters, and I like them a lot. Yeah, like the other ones are face and body glitters, and I guess I have, yeah, these are all face and body, but the ones that I just got say metallic glitter. And I was in love with the pictures that they had online of them. Like, they are stunning. So let me show you. This one is in the shade 06. It's Style Star. Star Style. Star Style. I don't know. It is like a, I didn't realize it when I ordered it, that it was like a blackish kind of. I don't have any glitter glue on or anything. Like, there's no point at this point. Like, I'm just swatching it where you can. Maybe I should have put some glitter glue on. This is not my favorite one that I got, because it didn't quite come as like I thought it was going to. But we'll put some glitter primer on. Glitter primer. Buff it in. Give it a fair try. Okay. So there's that one. It's like way darker than I thought it was going to be. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but it didn't look like that in the picture. So, I don't know. I guess I just, like, I don't know what I was thinking. That was not what I thought I was going to get. Honestly, I don't even know why I would have ordered that. Let me see what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, so, like, in the picture, can you guys tell? Like, that is what it looks like. It's, focus, not on my face. Like, it has, like, all different kinds of colory undertones, but, like, in person, it definitely does not. I don't think I would have ordered it had I noticed that. And then I also got Beauty Beam, which is super pretty. This one has, like, so much, like, color to it, like, different dimensions. It's really pretty. Like, I could see myself using this a lot. Like, it has the pink. Focus. Can you guys tell? It has the pink, but it also has, like, other colors to it, too. It's real pretty. Real pretty. And then I'm just going to put the other one next to it because I don't feel like having to reapply glitter glue for the 3rd time. This one is Gold Stone, right? Yep. Did I tell you what that one was called? Beauty Beam. This one's Gold Stone. This one is super pretty too. Like, look at that. Focus! It's this one here. It's so pretty. Oh, I'm living. Okay, and that is what I got from NYX, from Ulta, from NYX brand by Ulta. And last thing that I got was the NYX, or not NYX, Nude Sticks Babe Boss, hashtag Babe Boss Fave Box. 6 lip and cheek colors. You know, I got 2 of these other ones from Sephora. I had to get the last one to complete my set. Let's see. I'll swatch them for you guys. The first shade is a gel color. It is in Pulse. Pulse. There's so much glitter in my hand. Anyways. It's like wet. Pretty. This one's not one of the matte ones. I definitely prefer the matte ones, but I mean, it's a pretty color nonetheless. Like, it's wearable. This one is the Intense Matte in Purity. A little bit deeper than the other one was. The only issue that I have with these is that it's hard to tell, like this one, like the one I just swatched is deeper, like in person, but in the little like color thingy on there, it doesn't look deeper. Like this is the deeper one. It doesn't look deeper. Can you guys tell? The other one was the darker. Then this one is the Magnetic Matte Lip Color in Boho. This one is like a brown color. Pretty. I really like this formula though, because they dry down like a matte basically. Like if they dry down like a liquid lipstick. Then this one is, it just says lip and cheek pencil. It doesn't say anything else. And it's in the color Sin. Oh, it's a pencil. That's why. Ooh, interesting. I don't really know how you would use that on your cheeks. But it's a pretty color. Like especially for the summer. That's pretty. Reminds me kind of a popsicle. Then we have the darkest shade, Magnetic Matte Lip Color in Burgundy. Very pretty. I just love these formulas. And this one is the Intense Matte in Stiletto, which is the one that I'm most excited for probably. It is like a bright banging red in your face. Like, oh, so pretty. I live for these colors. Oh, look at how dry my lips are. Anyways, that is it, you guys. I'm going to slap on some chapstick because my lips are real dry. That's it, though. Like, you guys saw everything that I got. It wasn't like a crazy massive haul, but I did get, I mean, oh, shoot, I just got that all in my hair. Oh, Lord. I got, what, 6, 12, 13, 14 lip items, and then 3 eyes. So, I mean, hey, that was quite a haul for Kyla. So, if you guys like this video, no, that was more than that, because it's 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 15 lip products. 16 lip products, but I'm losing it. I can't do math. It's 8 Hudas, 1 NYX is 9, plus the 6 from Nude Sticks is 15, plus the lip gloss is 16, 17, 16, one of them. But I got a whole bunch of them, and I'm so excited for all of these, and I cannot wait to play with them in future videos for you all. Please pardon Landon and his loudness. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if there's something that I'm like totally missing out, or if there's like a color that I'm missing out on that I need to try. Like especially these metal ones, like they're really pretty. But yeah, just let me know what I need to try in a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video before you leave, because that lets me know that you like videos like this. And check out my Instagram. It's at @MakeupMySmile. I post there way more than I post on YouTube, because you know it's just easier. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.